Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Harmony One price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Harmony One chart, which at the time of this recording has lost a key area of support here on the daily chart at around the $0.02166 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Harmony One chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.39 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.009 mark in what I'm terming as the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is the start of a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3, where I have minimum target areas here on the chart at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.61746 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Harmony One to do on the long-term scenarios. And in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3, I will also be expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5, which is a fractal wave, fully maximizing our minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And I believe we are seeing such a scenario where we are seeing a fractal wave within the formation of this higher Elliott wave count 3 on the 4-hour chart. So jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Harmony One chart, you can see that after making our low in the formation of that second wave to the lower side, that is at around the $0.009 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliott wave structures, where you can see that we peaked in the formation of this first wave to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $0.02984 mark. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1, whatever I was expecting next was a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $0.01961 mark and the $0.01721 mark. And it is within this yellow target area down here that I was expecting to see the low for this second wave, and you can see we have managed to get into that minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.019883 mark. And having managed to get into this minimum retracement area, there are chances that we have now seen the low for this second wave, and soon we can start the explosive move to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. And before I sketch out a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, assuming that we are not going to see one more leg down in the formation of this higher Elliott wave count 2, we can also sketch out that is an ABC corrective structure that we also expected in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 2 because of its corrective nature, where we can have these as the wave A, then a wave B, then this is the wave C, giving us a low at around the $0.01872 mark. And there are chances that we have now seen the low for this second wave, and soon we can expect that explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.05198 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting Harmony One to do in the formation of that wave 3, and also expect to see another 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of this higher Elliott wave count 3, having the wave 5 of the fractal wave fully maximizing our minimum target areas. But we also need to have in mind that as long as we are holding below the 20-day MA and also below the key area of resistance at around the $0.02166 mark, we need to be also cautious, because there are chances of seeing one more leg down within this target area to give us one more low in the formation of this higher Elliott wave count 2. That is still a possibility. But the moment we manage to break above the 20-day MA, have the support that we need to also manage to break above the next key area of resistance at around the $0.02166 mark, continue gearing up, and also manage to break above these higher lows over here, then that will be enough confirmation that we could be starting that explosive move to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. So that is what I wanted to prepare you for over here. There are chances that we have seen the low for this second wave, and there are chances that soon we are going to start that explosive move to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. But as long as we are holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, we need to be cautious, since there are chances of still making one more leg down in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 2. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 41 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case the reversal starts. But in case the breakdown continues, that move will still be supported here on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, and we are yet to see that increase in the buying momentum. And once we are able to see an increase in the buying momentum here on the MACD, that will be enough confirmation that there are chances of starting the reversal and continue gearing up in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.